Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagle session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. So we will start with the US30, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna go to the weekly. Okay, first. And if you remember about this candle, I told you about the second weekly. If it opened with down and then breaking this area, it's gonna give it a great push. And look what a huge push. Even this new weekly candle, let me remove this. This new weekly candle, it opened, made like the wick and pushed, and it like kept pushing. Let me tell you. Like that's 252 pips. That's still super low volume in this candle. Okay, we go to the 4 hours. As you can see, all this push. Look how many times it reached this trend line, guys, and it pushed. It reversed. Look at this area. We started this from this area, the buys going up, going up, going up. So now it's been too much going up. Okay, but this candle made the retracement. So as any point we break again this high, it will the Dow continue with it. And if you can see, look at all previous pushes. You see this one, only one candle. That's a retracement. The Dow do those moves. So if it broke again this high, it will give like a good push. We will see the volume too. Yeah, it depends on the volume. Okay, so look at those daily candles. Small. Yeah, I don't love to trade those candles. I love to trade the breaks to go like as a swing trade. Okay. So breaking this area, I'm gonna be sending it tomorrow morning. We will be following it. Though I follow it like every day. So I will see tomorrow how it's gonna be. Even the break, if like it reversed, it broke this area again, that might be a great continuation. No, sorry, not a great reversal as a sell after like huge move up. Okay. On the daily, you go, you put the Fibonacci, put it from this low, the last move it did. Okay, so we still might retrace to those areas, even those areas. We will see. Look, the golden number. So we will see if it started to go down. So we have a good like target to see if we saw a reversal again and pushing up as a retracement. It's gonna be great to take it as a buy. Okay, but we will be checking it how the reversal will be. But I'm still, for now, I'm still bullish because nothing shows bearish. We didn't even break here. We didn't close under here, you know. So for now, everything's still bullish. We will be following it tomorrow to see how it's gonna be pushing and moving. Okay. We go to the 4 hours, as you can see, even on the 4 hours, like we had a big push. We had a double top right now, and on like breaking this area, we can start the trade as an intraday. Okay, and go with it. Leave it. Okay, so we will see about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will put even the buy higher on this wick. Okay, that's a liquidity wick. If you see today, wait, let me go. Look at those reversals at the. Look at this candle. No volume. Look at this rejection candle. Even this one, it opened like wick down and then pushed up. It made the liquidity. That's why I don't take the trade. That's a liquidity. It took the buy stop of the people who like taking it like fast execution. It took them, and the new like candle, it opened 15 minutes, it pushed all the way, and that was like liquidity. Okay, this area I don't like. I will not do anything in this inside this. I'm gonna wait this one, this break or the break of this high. Okay, let me put over here. Okay, so this is it for the Dow. We go for gold. Daily time frame, even gold, daily time frame, we're still waiting. Look at this area here. I'm gonna see like how it's gonna be breaking this area. That's a good area to take it as a sell when it breaks the structure. Okay, that's the last low it's doing. If it pushed down, you saw it retracing and then pushing down again, that's a great sell. But gold, I'm still bullish more than sells, honestly. You can take it as a scalping it, yes, we will see. But it's still too much bullish, reaching new highs even. So I'm gonna be looking at the sells as a scalps, but the buys as more strong right now. Okay. So for the buys, I need the break of the last high. And now we are like new highs. We're doing new highs. So you take your trade. Okay. It depends on the volume, how it's gonna push. Look at this push. That's a big volume. Yeah. Sudden volume. That's August. Sudden volume. Look at those daily candles. And then sudden volume. We will see how it's gonna be pushing. But the break of the last high, you can take it scalp as a scalp, but you leave. Yani, try to leave the runners in it. Okay. So gold, still nothing. Look at this. Look at this bullish push. Look at this. Nothing shows us we're going bearish. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher. We're still going higher lows and doing new highs. So the break of this high, I'm gonna continue with it as a buy. Here we go. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. It's kind of doing like flag. So let's see the break. So for like taking it as an intraday, you can start it from this area, and you can start from preferably from this area, like away from all this. Look at those 1 hour candles, guys. Okay, so breaking this one, you can take it as a scalp, and you can leave runner at least. That's 100 pip, 70, 80 pip. Okay, so it might do the flag. Let's see. The volume is not so good, and those one hits, and then look at those. So the market, yes, still not that big volume like those areas. Okay, so that's for the gold. We go for euro again weekly. As we said, guys, like we are on this area. That's a very strong area. I'm gonna put it months. Look at months. We still in this. Okay, so we are in this area, but here we had a great push. I will go to the daily. Look what happened, guys. Look at the 4 hours. So last week where we was here, guys, over here, Wednesday. I told you I'm not gonna take any buys over here, even if it break or anything. Look at this arrow still from last week, guys. I don't look at this chart. That was the retracement I always talk about. I don't take after those moves. Okay. I wait one candle. When it's taking a trend, you don't need like that's daily candle. Okay, if you're taking it as swing. So that was the break. That was the break. You can start taking it now when this candle closed. Okay, bearish, bullish closed above this area. This candle opened, but there was no wick. I think there was news, but that's technical. That's the euro doing 118 pips and still pushing up. There was news, even FOMC now, so there is big push. Look, waves, always waves. It pushed here. That's your first buy. It pushed up. You didn't take it here. You take it here. Look, you take it here. Look, that's the market. That's how we work it. Like patience and wait for it. Don't like be in a rush to take it over this area before retracing a bit. Okay. So for now, for the euro, I'm gonna wait even no buys because that's a lot of big push. So I'm gonna wait even the same thing. Okay, a retracement candle, and then I can continue with it as well. As for the cells, even I'm not looking at any cell right here. There's nothing shows me that there is a cell. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the euro. Nothing to do right now. If it did the same like this, yes, we can continue. Okay, go through the Bitcoin, even Bitcoin. Let's see in the weekly. We're still in this area. We're still ranging in this area. And there's no break of this low. There's nothing. There's no break of this high. So we will see if it continues pushing, breaking this area. We will have it like a good push to this area maybe, and then like to reverse. We will see. But breaking this to like previous weekly, it's gonna be like a good buy after like forming kind of flag. It pushed bullish push, like doing kind of flag, and then we will see the break. Okay. As for sales, even breaking this area, that's a strong area. Okay, but we will see the break of this. It might continue the push. Okay, so this is it, guys. Joseph or Lama, who wants to start?
Let's start with Norman, then with
Norman,
Joseph, then with me.
يلا let's go.
جوزيف بعده معنا ايه
Yes, yes.
Norman.
Hello.
Yes, hello Norman, how are you?
I'm good. Okay, let me explain how I just take trades. Okay, let's go to daily. On daily, we have been bullish from this week. We are at the all-time high. This will be support. Let's see on forward. Yeah, this is our support, right? This is our resistance. Okay, we have small resistance over here. Price got rejected, and we have support. Okay, we can for this. See exactly where I have marked my lines. Price will be rejected at that point. See, I have marked over here. See, price rejected, price rejected, price rejected. Okay, now let's see in 1 hour. In 1 hour, as it is saying, we just need to rearrange it. Okay, like this. We have one support like this. In 30 minutes, as it is same, but we have resistance over here. We can extend. This is how I mark it, and now I look for trade. How do I look for trades? Is yes, this has to break my levels, right? This will be the potential sells. If only if candle close in this range. Okay, only if candle close in this range, I look for sales, right? For the buys, okay, for the buys, we can look for sales. I should need at least 20 pips range. Okay, it's 25 pips range. We can look for buys till this level. And the only problem with this range is we have support over here. Okay, see, price got rejected over here. The price got rejected over here. Okay, let's ignore this range and let's keep our range from here. Okay. Even this in this range, we have support over here. Price can reject to this level. Let's measure what is this range. Okay, 70 pips, 70 pips. It's not enough. Again, 70 pips is not enough. Best to trade this range for the buys, right? You can see we have 40 for 40 pips range, but even we have support over here. We can look for this range. Okay, 20 pips, that's enough. If I take this trade, I will look for buys and close my 90% of trade over here and leave to this point. That's it. I'm done for day. Okay. This is how I take trades. Okay. You can see over here. You can see over here. See price. Price closed in this range. Right. You don't know this. Okay. Price price closed in this range, but it didn't not broke this. It broke it off. This would not be my trade. I want this candle to close like this. Okay, after some times it closed, candle closed below this range. I will look for buys breaking of this wick. Okay, short position breaking of this wick. I will keep my stops to stop is very big. I don't want to take this trade. Its stops is very big. I need at least 1:1, right? Like 1:1, like 20:2. You can look on over here. We have support, right? See, price got rejected from that. This is my trade. This is how I would take a trade if I couldn't take a trade. Okay, I did. Today was my no trade day. Okay, same as on London session. I would go for, see, London session was consolidation, lots of consolidation, but we have lots of support for today's range. Okay, but we closed, the candle closed exactly at 3:30 a.m. But we got no week, right? This will be this will be I won't fix this type of trades. See, this is what happened. No small wick or no wick would reject back to the upside. Okay, yesterday what I have made mistake was, let me show you quick. Okay, yesterday, okay, yesterday was this trade. Yesterday it actually moved, London session moved very hugely to the upside. Okay, I took my, it closed, it closed below this range, candle closed. I just waited to break off this range, right? Break off this range. What would be my stop loss would be this. My stops would be this. It's very big stop loss. I just kept my stops to this, but it went to some certain points and then it came back. I didn't close it. I thought it will go to like this. I just measure up my Fibonacci because we don't have range on the trend side because gold was all-time high at this level. I just measured from this to this, like price will go up to this level. Okay, I know it can reject from here, but I just kept it will go to this level and all. Uh, okay, I made a mistake for my target points yesterday. That was a good trade. Even losing also a good trade. Okay, after some times, see it rejected back, it created support, and then it broke this level. This type of trade is not my trade, right? Why? Because it didn't close in my range. It directly came down. It was not my trade, right? Uh, okay, let's see. Let's see tomorrow what happens with us. Okay.
I want to add something that Norman focuses on scalp trading. On gold, it means that he works on a lower time frame and he works on price action. Okay, so يعني he focuses on the candles, the wicks, support, resistance. Mainly, this is how he does his studies. You finished, Norman?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We move to Joseph.
Okay, hello everyone. Let's start with the weekly on GJ. After this reversal and last week closing bullish, this week still respecting the high and respecting the low, still in the middle. And for the indicators, the CCI on the breaking the oversold area, but still on the minus 100, the percentage R start to reverse down. We will see on the daily. After it made lower highs, today it made almost higher highs, but rejected from this area. Didn't continue up. We will see on the 4 hours. We have here kind of triangle. 3 to continue the move up. We have this 4. Maybe it will hit this trend line here and continue up. It tried to break today, but this candle, it happened at 5 p.m. Beirut time. It made this wick in less than 1 minute. We had our buy over here today. For this, I don't like pending order. If we put pending order, it takes our buy and reject in seconds. So on the 1 hour, we will see if it breaks this triangle, we will continue the move up. We can have a buy from, if it broke again this high. For the sell, we have to wait, better to wait this support. It hit many times here. Look how many times it hit and reject, hit and reject. So for the first 30 minutes. I think that this is nothing to add. We will see how the volume will react today and tomorrow morning.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you, Joseph. I will share my screen. For the GBP USD, it's still going up. The momentum is so strong for the bullish move. And today I was expecting to start reversing, but to be honest, in parallel, I'm checking the indicators. The CCI and the William percentage R did not cross down, by the way. So tomorrow, when they start crossing down and the candle, if it was like going up more, or it's showing that it wants to go up, I think we will see a divergence here on the William percentage R. But look at the CCI, it's still in the overbought area. So this area is the overbought area. It means that we have lots of buys. It's overbought. So we have to start expecting the sell, the move down. So once it hits this line, the horizontal line, and like touches the line and we start seeing like the down move inside, here I have the confirmation that it will go down. But today it didn't it was still here, not that much يعني high, but it was like still up in the overbought area without touching the horizontal line. So that's why I changed also the entry to be on the safe side. Look what a move up, especially in the afternoon. I notice on the US market, the bullish momentum gets stronger for the GBP. Like forget these two candles, these green candles, we were here today. So we were so close to the entry. The entry was on 1.3010. I changed it to 130.05. Okay, so that was my entry for today. And look, it reached here, then continued up. It made a bullish momentum. Yani the bullish momentum is like is going up, and in a way or another, it will reach to a high. Yani this is the highest point, I think, since 2023. Because I remember last year we reached a high price. Let me see. Okay, so July 2023, that was the highest price, 1.3143, almost, and it reached to this number. So now we are like very close to the high of last year. So mainly, I'm still like convinced with the sell, but only with a confirmation of the indicators. Also, the second confirmation will be from the price action. What I mean by that is waiting for the candle to make a wick up and then continue down. Okay, so by this way, I will get the confirmation. Look here, for example, that was let me remove this one. So here, this candle, the red one, you see the wick, it was formed, it was going down, it reached the support and stopped. Okay, so the support line can be either, that's why it is a support, because it touched it and can continue up. Breaking it will be the confirmation for the sell, because this is how, like now I know it's going down. Because breaking it, yani after so many times reaching here, then reaching here, that was like the sell opportunity. Otherwise, it will be like going up. Okay, so in other cases, it can be a reversal, but here, no. Yani I will see, yani we will show you in a different case where reaching a support, taking the buy will be the like a reversal trade, yani taking a trade when it reverses. But now it's not enough yani, here to take it as a reversal because I want it like a confirmation. Here, it's risky to take it as a reversal. Mainly, I will keep the same concept. Of course, I have to wait for the market to close to see where it will close here. The 4-hour candle, it will close after 3 hours and 28 minutes. Okay, if we see here the countdown. Tomorrow, of course, yani also tomorrow, we have a high impact news on the GBP. So it's a good day for the GBP at 12:30 p.m. Dubai time. Okay, we also have a high impact news on the US dollar that will affect, of course, the currency. So let's see tomorrow what will happen, where market will close. And then I can like be more clear with my entries and my orders. Okay.